How to create videos on REDnote app. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. Today in this video, I will guide you on how to create videos on REDnote app. So now let's get started. To create videos on REDnote app, the international version of Xiaohongshu, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the REDnote app. Now step 2. Tap the plus icon at the bottom. Now tap Allow REDnote to access photos and videos on this device. If you want to record your video, hold the record button to start filming directly in the app. Alternatively, upload a pre-recorded video from your gallery by tapping the gallery icon. Now edit your video. You can add filters, music, text, and stickers. You can also adjust the video length and trim any unwanted parts using the editing tools. Now tap on Next. You can also add a caption, including relevant hashtags or tags to help others find it. When you are satisfied with your video, tap the Post button to share it with your followers and the community. That's it. You have successfully created and shared a video on REDnote, also called Xiaohongshu. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.